Hello friends, we have released an IPO note on Samvardhana Motherson Finance Limited. The price band of this IPO is between 113 rupees at the lower end and 118 rupees at the higher end. The company at the lower end is seeking a market valuation of somewhere around 6,600 odd crore rupees, and at a higher end around 6,900 odd crore rupees. Samvardhana Motherson Finance IPO opens on May 2nd and it closes on May 4th. The company is a JV company with an already listed company called Motherson Sumi Finance Limited. So both these two companies are from the same group, Samvardhana Group, Samvardhana Motherson Group. Now both have, the company has two subsidiaries. One is Visiocorp, which is the second largest exterior rear view mirror in the world. And the other subsidiary is the Pegoform, which make dashboards for companies like Audi, Volkswagen, and BMW. So these are the European companies who have big presence globally. Now Visiocorp, SMFL, Samvardhana Motherson Finance Limited has around 46% stake in Visiocorp, and they have around 39% stake in Pegoform. Which makes plastics. So the pricing done by the company is somewhere around 7,000 odd crore rupees, which is equivalent to the Motherson Sumi Finance Limited. We think that the pricing is slightly on a higher side if you look at the SOTP valuation of various businesses. For example, we have considered the 36% stake of SMFL in Motherson Sumi Finance Limited at the current market cap without any kind of a discount. We are giving 10x EV EBITDA to the Visiocorp business based on the annualized 9-month annualized earning. We have taken the acquisition price of Pegoform, which has been acquired only around 3 months back, and we have also incorporated the debt as an acquisition price. So summing up all, the valuation comes to somewhere around 9% below as to what this company is commanding. Now, if you look at from the long-term investment point of view, the SMFL has around 63% economic interest in Visiocorp because it has a 36% holding in Motherson Sumi Systems Limited. So by way of that holding structure, they have a greater economic interest. So if there is a sharp turnaround in the fortunes of Visiocorp as well as Pegoform, then it will benefit more SMFL than Motherson Sumi Systems Limited. So investors who are looking at a high risk or a high beta investment can look to invest through an IPO in SMFL. But conservative investors may refrain from such investments because the financials of Visiocorp has deteriorated over the last 2 to 3 quarters. Similarly, Pegoform has made a loss, so it will take time for them to revive. And also there is a global uncertainty in terms of at least on a European market perspective, where these two companies have a major presence. So it will take time for them to revive their fortunes. But then whenever the revival happens, it will benefit SMFL more than MSSL, because we look both as the companies who have like a holding company in these two companies, Visiocorp and Pegoform. So as of now, we are taking a conservative view, and we think that there are limited upsides from the IPO. So the whatever IPO investments, whatever upsides are there, it is for the high risk investors, and that too on a slightly longer term perspective.